by knowledge. For Pakistan's younger generation, education is no longer a choice. It is a priority. To support this, Pakistan has built one of the largest higher education systems in the region. Today, more than 270 public and private universities and degree awarding institutions are working across the country, educating millions of students. At the center of the system is the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. Over the past 2 decades, it has worked to improve quality, expand access, and raise academic standards. As a result, higher education in Pakistan is more structured and more connected than before. Across the country, universities are active in key fields like engineering and technology, medicine and health sciences, business and management, and agriculture and environmental sciences. Each discipline is backed by infrastructure, faculty, and practical learning. This progress is now being recognized internationally. Around 35 Pakistani universities are listed in the QS World University Rankings 2026. This reflects steady progress in academic quality and international recognition. In 2025, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif launched the Pakistan-Bangladesh Knowledge Corridor, a bold step toward bringing the two nations closer through education and collaboration. Under this initiative, 500 fully funded scholarships were extended to Bangladeshi students through the Allama Muhammad Iqbal Scholarship Program, covering tuition, accommodation, travel, settlement allowance, and living expenses at leading universities across Pakistan.
Hello everyone, my name is Rafiel Bari and I'm from Bangladesh. I'm currently studying in the Computer Science Department of Oxford University, Islamabad, through the Allama Iqbal Scholarship under the Pakistan-Bangladesh Knowledge Corridor.
I'm Fazlin Abdullah from Bangladesh and I'm studying in BBS at Dow University of Health Science under the Allama Iqbal Scholarship.
And so far, 74 of those students have already arrived to begin their studies. These students are studying in fields such as medicine, engineering, computer science, business, and communication. This is not just an academic program, it is a renewed educational connection between two countries, built through trust, opportunity, and shared learning. The Higher Education Commission of Pakistan played a central role in making this possible by working closely with higher education authorities in Bangladesh. Through educational expos and outreach programs, Pakistani universities were introduced directly to Bangladeshi students, and the response has been clear. Students are choosing Pakistan.
Hello everyone, this is Tariq Mahmood from Bangladesh. I'm studying at National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences in the Department of Artificial Intelligence. Hello, I'm Edu Expo, and I'm currently studying farming at Edu University.
Becoming a preferred destination for international students. Because Pakistan is not just growing, it is emerging as a place of knowledge, a country of opportunities, and a gateway to the future.